Hello, Celeste Jones, Metaverse in the Metaverse. Thanks for joining. Today we're going to talk about the artist roadmap to millions. There are 6 steps to create this roadmap. Step 1 is to make sure that you have the core passion, the little seed in your life that's going to grow. This core passion is something that creates excitement and passion within yourself. This is when you first knew you wanted to be an artist. Maybe it was in art class as a small child, or when you started noticing art and enjoyed museums. A core passion gives you the drive to continue. If you have this, then you are more likely to be a successful artist because you can endure the tough times. People that do not have this core passion will quit when things are not going as expected. The next step is to choose a direction. There are many directions, but you have to choose one. You may have 2 amazing projects, but if you do both, you likely will not be successful. You could do a primary direction where you focus most of your time on one project and then a secondary direction that you devote less time to. Just think of the saying, jack of all trades, master of none. Also, when people see you doing too many projects, it's confusing and can make you look unorganized. The solid primary focus is like setting off your boat to the sea and you want to sail to a direction. Keep on point here. Stay focused with sharp intent. A quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io, partnering with established artists to build out metaverse galleries to curate, mint, market, promote, and sell their NFTs with strategic success. Hey guys, and if you could pretty please tap that like button and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. The next step is style. Choose a style, a consistent style, so it's easily identifiable. If you have too many styles, people get confused and do not take you seriously. They think maybe you are experimenting. Your style needs to have a recognizable, striking, distinctive visual identity. You need to make a dent in a person's memory. It's all about the branding. If you are a street artist, paint the biggest building in town using premium materials with some defining characteristic that brands your art using the best technique you can. Be unique and unpredictable. Next is to work on the exposure, on the presentation. Getting exposure can be tweets, Instagram, hanging out on Discord, good SEO on your website, newsletters, press releases, and networking events. Crypto and NFT conferences, meetups, YouTube, and events will help to give you exposure. The final step is how to sell your art. Aside from the traditional methods in galleries or in art fairs, you can put your digital art in metaverse galleries, different selling platforms like OpenSea, Origin Protocol, Rarible. That's it for today's snippet of info. Don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any comments on how artists can create great roadmaps to success, please leave them below. Celeste Jones and Metaverse in the Metaverse. Goodbye.